Okay, let's go ahead and solder this spine on this feather. I've already lightly sanded with 600 grit the feather body itself, and I also ran the feather spine up and down my 600 grit clipboard. Let's go ahead and light this baby off and get it done. I got stuff to do. I like to run a nice hot flame. I'll bring it down till the yellow disappears. She hisses a little. Alright, here we go. Using my little block thing that I got from Rio Grande. I'm going, sorry about the noise, that was T upstairs dropping something and scaring the crap out of me like she normally does. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to heat this up. You can see the flux is bubbling. I'm going to keep heating till the flux goes clear. It'll go brown first. You can throw a little on top. Just be careful not to heat the wire too much. The wire is what will dissipate, or I'm sorry, the wire is what will melt first. So I'm going to go underneath till the flux runs clear. My little bitty Smith torch. Alright, my flux is clear, everything's heated. I'm going to set my torch aside and I'm going to take little tiny freaking specks of solder. I'm going to place them along the spine, up against. I'm probably using 3 times the amount of solder I really need, but I'd rather just get this frickin' done. And I am steadying my hand against something, otherwise I'll end up bumping crap all over. One last piece, I want to make sure the end is good and soldered. Again, I probably used 4 times the amount of solder I needed to, but I want to get this done. Alright, solder's in place. That silver is still hot. Matter of fact, let me do something real quick. I'm going to pull obstacles out of the way of my flame. Make sure my solder is still against the piece. I'm going to go ahead and start heating. Everything's still in place. That's one advantage of doing the flux first. Letting it go clear is it kind of holds everything together. I'm going to come underneath and I'm going to heat this bad boy until that flux runs. Flows nice and pretty. There, it's flowed. And then it's done. Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. It'll be super clean, super easy, super clean cleanup. I'm going to throw it in my pickle pot, clean it. Then I'm going to throw it in some water, clean it off. And then I'll do the little bit of cleanup I'll need to do to it. And then I will start hammering the feather fins in. Enjoy.